Hi there guys, I am back with one more video about the Apple Watch, and this time I'll be making it very quick as I got a lot of comments for the previous video that it was very long. Sorry for that. This video will be very quick and it will show you the most important features that are present on the Apple Watch. Of course I can't show you all the features, that will take a very long time. So as you could see here, when the wrist was placed like this, I think you can see that the watch is turned off. That is because you are not looking at it in this position. So when you turn the watch face towards you, it automatically switches on. This is a feature Apple has made in order to conserve the battery life, and also it is quite cool. And there are different watch faces here that you can set. So what you need to do is tap on the screen and apply some pressure. This is called the force touch, which is a new mode of input that Apple has introduced in your Apple Watch, and will be introduced in the future products as well, maybe in the iPhone also in the future. So the different watch faces here I'll be showing you. This is a utility one, this is a modular one, this is a simple one, this is the motion, uh, this is the one with astronomy, this is the one with customizations for the watch face, where you can change the color. And I'm sorry guys, I got a notification there, I'll just cancel that. Yes, and as I was telling, this is the astronomy watch face, and I'll be telling you about that in the future. This is the one where you can customize almost everything, including the name or whatever you want to be displayed over the watch. And this is a solar one. I'll be telling about that in quite some time. This is the chronograph. That is a chronograph type of watch face. Here you have the Mickey Mouse. That's quite cool. This is a X large one where you can customize the type of font, etc. So these are the different watch faces that you get, and individual watch faces also can be customized. This is the modular one, which shows this is a watch face which will show the maximum amount of data available. So here you can further customize this by force touching the display and pressing the customize option here. You can select different things here. You can switch that part of the screen off, or you can use it for viewing the date, or you could use it as a calendar. You could also use it to know the moon phase, sunrise sunset times, the weather of your current location. This is for the stocks, and this is the activity guys. This Apple Watch has something called as activity app, which measures the amount of calories you have burned, the amount of time you have spent sitting idly, and the amount of time you have spent walking, exercising, and various stuffs like that. You can set the amount of calories that you need to burn for a particular day, and the Apple Watch will guide you how to burn that amount of calorie. This is really cool guys, for those who are fitness freaks out there. And this is, you can also use it for the alarm, timer, stopwatch, world clock. Different, you can set the desired world clock there. I'll just keep it to the date. I like it that way. And you can also change these features which are here. This is, I have set it for to the moon phase. You could also set it as the date, or you could switch it off. And as I showed, different kinds of similarly you can also change these things here. I've set it for temperature. This is the activity app, and this is the battery percentage. So I'll leave that there. So this was the modular one. There are 10 watch faces guys. I won't be explaining each and everything. This is one more beautiful watch face where you can set different kinds of, I'm sorry, that was the glances, I'll be telling you later. Now here, when you touch on the screen, the butterfly changes, you get different kinds of butterflies every time you touch. And there's this beautiful animation where it flutters the wings. That's nice. You could also customize this to have flower or a jellyfish. Jellyfish is also, it is very nice. Let me just show you that. It has this very nice animation to it, which looks very cool. Even here you can change the different types of jellyfishes just by tapping on the screen there. So this was the motion watch face, and this is one more nice watch face, guys. This is the astronomy watch face. Here you can see the location where you are located in the globe, and also you can see when the sun, when there is when the sun rises over India, and stuff like that. It is really cool. And when the sun sets, that is one thing there. And you could also see the moon phase at this particular point of time. You just need to touch over the moon icon, which is located here. I'm sorry, I'm not getting that. Oops. Sorry about that. So the moment you touch the moon, you can see that beautiful animation, and this is how the moon is outside right now. You could also see when you would have a new moon. That is about 17 days from now. That is on 16th of June. Also, as you keep scrolling, you can get the date when there will be a full moon also. That is the 2nd of July. This is also quite cool. And this here, guys, is the icon which takes you to the view of the solar system. This is how the solar system, the different planets in our solar system are in what position the different planets in the solar system are. This is how it is. This is also quite cool. I'm sorry. So these are, there are various other watch faces also. I don't think I can explain each and everything. This is one more cool watch face which some might like. This is the Mickey here, and as you can see, the foot is a second hand. This is the minute hand, and this is the hour hand. This is also quite good looking for people who like animated watch faces. And one interesting thing here, guys, the tapping animation of the Apple Watch, this Mickey watch face is such that when you keep, no matter how many watch faces you have placed one next to the other, every watch will have the same animation. That is, every watch face will the tap of the Mickey's foot will tap every time the same time in all the watches. And that is one nice feature there. Okay, and these are the different watch faces, and this digital crown here can be used to use for various inputs. You can also press that button to get into the apps page, where you have different apps. All these apps are those apps which you have on the iPhone. They get mirrored here. There are various apps, guys. I'll be just telling you about a few good ones, like the CNN one here. The moment you tap on the CNN, your watch fetches data from the Apple iPhone and gives you the recent top stories here. As you can see, you can view all those top stories. That is one, and there are various other apps also. You can also use Siri to do all these functions, and there are various apps. I won't be going ahead with all of them. There's a camera app also, but that camera app is the one which uses your iPhone camera. You can click the photos using your Apple Watch. The Apple Watch as such doesn't have a camera. So let's go back here to the watch face. Now, as you can see, there's a small red dot on top that indicates that I have a notification there. So if I swipe from above downwards, I get the different notifications which I have, things on the YouTube, whatever messages, emails I've got. So that's that. Now the one more feature is when you swipe from below upwards, you get these glances. Glances are nothing but screens that are displayed each time you swipe it to the left or right. There are various things here. You can play music from here, you can pin your iPhone, you can set it on airplane mode, you can mute it, put it on do not disturb mode. You can store up to 8 GB of music on this Apple Watch, and you can listen to the music via Bluetooth headsets. This is one cool feature, guys. This is a heart rate measuring app which uses the sensors present in the Apple Watch to measure your heart rate. It will take a bit of time, but it is quite cool to know what your heart rate is all throughout the day. Mine is quite high here. I don't know why. Okay, it's 87. That's okay. This is the amount of battery life that's remaining, and this, as I said, is the activity app. These are the events that are scheduled in the future, my calendar. And this is the weather app. This one is the stock app, and this one is the maps. I didn't show you the map feature. You can also get the location where you are, and also get tracking and directions to different parts wherever you want to go. This is pretty much the similar app which is present on the phone, Maps. It's taking some time to load here. I'll just go ahead with that. And this is the world time. You can set a place where you the desired place where country. So guys, that's pretty much it. I've not explained each and everything, but just the basic interesting features here. Hope you guys liked it. Please do like the video and hit the subscribe button. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. Peace.